What happens if you eat oats every day? It's a good thing medical experts recommend oatmeal as a healthy breakfast. There's so much you can do with a container of oats. You can enjoy them warm, soak them overnight, bake them into bars or muffins, or even blend them into a waffle batter. Yet, besides such delicious versatility, why exactly do health experts recommend oatmeal as a go-to morning meal? How does a simple bowl of oats affect your long-term health? Here's what the science says about consuming oatmeal on a regular basis. You may feel fuller for longer. Oats are a great source of fiber, a carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Because fiber slows down digestion, you won't feel as hungry for a longer period, per the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Eating fiber-rich foods helps avoid spikes and dips in your blood sugar levels while reducing feelings of hunger. Having oats for breakfast or incorporated into different foods as meals and snacks is a great way to give the meal more staying power and help you feel fuller for longer, says Maggie Michalich, RDN. According to the USDA's Food Data Central, 1 cup of cooked oatmeal contains 4 grams of fiber, which is 16% of the recommended daily value. You'll have an easier time in the bathroom. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, says Michalich. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like consistency in the gut and helps to keep things moving in your digestive tract and keep you regular. This helps with bulking up your stool, making it easier for your bowel movement later. Plus, pairing your oatmeal with sources of insoluble fiber, like unpeeled sliced apples, nuts, or blackberries, can also help keep things moving in your digestive tract and make things easier in the bathroom later. Your risk of heart disease will decrease. Starting your morning with a bowl of oats can benefit your heart health in more ways than one. Because of the fiber content, oatmeal can help lower your bad or LDL cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar levels, and even lower high blood pressure, all of which play a significant role in minimizing risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Your gut bacteria will thrive. Oatmeal is also a prebiotic food, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Maintaining healthy gut bacteria, also known as your gut microbiome, will benefit your body's immune system, improve your mood and digestion, and help to ward off diseases. A 2021 systematic review published in the Journal of Nutrition found a link between oat consumption and increasing beneficial bacterial groups within one's gut, making it a gut-friendly and heart-healthy breakfast. Incorporating a wide variety of plant foods like oats is also beneficial for gut diversity, which is another important aspect of gut health, says Michalich. You'll manage your weight easier. Along with these positive benefits, research shows this popular breakfast can even support weight loss and weight measurement efforts. According to a 2021 review published in Foods, oat beta-glucan has positive effects on hyperglycemia, lowering blood lipid levels and reducing weight. The fiber content of oatmeal is filling and satiating, which in turn can help with eating fewer calories throughout the day and managing your weight, says Michalich. Beta-glucan can also promote the release of peptide YY, a hormone produced in the gut that helps with satiety. Improved blood sugar control. Oats have a low glycemic index, which means they're digested and absorbed more slowly by the body. This results in a gradual rise in blood sugar levels, rather than a sudden spike followed by a crash. The slow digestion of oats helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable option for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. By providing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, oats can help prevent fluctuations in blood sugar and promote stable energy levels throughout the day. Lowered cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly a type called beta-glucan, has been extensively studied for its cholesterol-lowering effects. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which binds to cholesterol and prevents its absorption into the bloodstream. This mechanism helps to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By lowering LDL cholesterol, oats contribute to improving overall cholesterol profiles and reducing the risk of heart disease. Consuming oats regularly as part of a heart-healthy diet can be beneficial for individuals looking to manage their cholesterol levels. Increased nutrient intake. Oats are not only a good source of fiber, but also a nutrient-dense food. They provide a range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Oats contain significant amounts of manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, and B vitamins, among others. These nutrients play vital roles in various bodily functions, including energy production, immune system function, bone health, and cognitive function. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can boost your nutrient intake and ensure you're getting a diverse array of essential nutrients. Potential weight management benefits. One of the key benefits of oats for weight management is their high fiber content. Fiber adds bulk to food and promotes feelings of fullness, helping you stay satisfied for longer periods. This can prevent overeating and support portion control, which are important factors in maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, oats are relatively low in calorie density compared to many other breakfast options, making them a suitable choice for individuals looking to manage their weight. The combination of fiber, complex carbohydrates, and protein in oats can help regulate appetite, reduce calorie intake, and support sustainable weight loss or weight maintenance goals. Oatmeal's high fiber content and prebiotic qualities may benefit your body in more ways than one. Making oatmeal a regular part of your menu can potentially lower your disease risk, help your gut health thrive, make bowel movements easier, and keep you feeling fuller for longer. If you're ready to start your morning with a bowl of oats, try our cinnamon roll overnight oats.